Hello there, my name is Milton Aguiar, and I'm an aspiring comic book artist. Today we're gonna go through my very first tutorial on how to draw male superhero heads. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment what you'd like to see in this channel in the future. Now, let's go to the tutorial.
So for today's tutorial, we're gonna draw some heads. Profile view and frontal view. We're gonna start with basic shapes. So we start with a circle. I'm gonna do frontal view first. So you have to divide the circle in half with a cross, and then we simply add these lines here. It's where the skull starts to get more squished, however you say it. Then we go down and we add one more horizontal line. This is the eyes. This is the eyes line. This is the nose line. And then we'll have the mouth line. There are simple tricks for this. For example, they have about the same size, the same distance. The nose. Okay, I'm gonna just go a bit lower. Yeah, that's perfect. So the nose and the eyes, they align with the ears. So this is where the ear starts. Here we go. And it ends on the nose line. Same can be said for the mouth. The mouth line is where the jaw starts to converge. And let's do the same with the line distance. And here we go. You can also do for the hairline. Yeah, the hairline might be somewhere around there. For the neck, if you're drawing a muscular character, it's usually the same width as the head. And then we have the muscles here. Pretty simple, right? So we can now go for the side view. For the side view, it's basically the same. We'll go with a circle. The line, again, like how we did here. Same with the eyes, the nose, the mouth. Now we divide the face again in the middle. And then we can find where the ear starts. And then we do the same again with the jaw, the eyes again, the nose. The nose can be a triangular shape. It works very well like that. Maybe the jaw was too long on the side view. Yeah, I think the jaw ended up being too long. For the neck, I usually go by the area of the nose line, and that's where I go down. Like if you started more on this area, it would be a thinner character with a thinner neck. For the neck, in the front, go a bit horizontal and diagonally. It's very simple. And now we can go for the facial features. Some tricks over here too. For example, for the nose, I do this shape, and then I simply draw nostril area like this. Yeah, then I follow along the mouth. I break the lines. I add a little bit of the bottom lip, because if I add too much of the lips, it will look weird, but that's personal taste. For the eyebrows, I usually go either simple or Jim Lee style, where Jim Lee style, it's much more detailed. Basically go with zigzags. Now for the eyes, there's a simple trick, which is they start around the same line here. I'll make a tutorial later on how to draw comic book eyes and also other features in the future. You can add wrinkles. I recommend not to add too many wrinkles unless the character is old, because in comic book style, if you add wrinkles, the character will look older. Yes, in reality, they could have those wrinkles, but in comic book style, it gets exaggerated. Now for the side part. You saw me do this a little bit ago, where I go in like a triangle. I do this like a triangle, which is where the eyebrow area starts. And for the nose, it depends on what character you're drawing. You can do this and go a bit down, and then you go in. Same for the mouth. Out, in, out, in. For the eyebrows, you can do the same as you did on the frontal view. The zigzags. Now, the trickiest part about drawing eyes from the side is that they're not the same shape as the frontal view. They're actually a triangular shape. When you draw the iris and the pupil, you have to make it like more stretched in to make it feel more real, more believable. I also like to go a bit out from on the top of the eye. It gives more depth to the eye. Then for the mouth, once again, pretty simple. I never connect to the outline. The ears have some kind of shape like this. Each person's ears are very different. I recommend looking at references for that. Oh, and the nostrils. Just add a curve a bit here too. You can proceed to rendering. You render how you want. And that's pretty much it. I'll make a tutorial on how to draw a female head next, and also how to draw a younger character's head. Facial features change a lot. Not just the facial features, but also the proportions.
Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to comment what you want to watch next.